Hey, Oksana is with you, and today we are training for the challenge Shirshasana, when we stand on our head doing some tricks. So, first of all, you cannot stand on your head like that and your candle, okay? You can make a candle, but start from the very beginning. That is the question, because many people try to do it from the very beginning, they fall down and then they're afraid of it. Don't be try from the wall. Try from the wall. The wall is your best friend in training, remember it. So, your hands should be a lock, like that, a lock, that tightly come near your head here, because your hands are holding your head. This is the lock. This is when you stand without a wall, even near the wall. What is keeping your head? Your lock. Here. This is fixing your head from falling down, all your body. Okay? So important is the lock. It should be tightly pushed to your head, like that, okay? And your elbows are helping. So, I will show you what is the first level of this. So just make the lock, but not like that, in a space, but near the wall. And you will fix all your body near the wall, like that. Why are we doing this? Because like that, you feel that you can stand on the head, yeah? You feel that you can do it. You will not fall down, because you will not fall down in the end. Your hands, your lock, position up, and you're standing, like that, okay? Then you can try to go a little bit far away from a wall, a second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Like that, you're training your balance. Yeah. Then, when you go down, stand some seconds with your head down. It's important. Just then you stand up. That's it. Doing this every day, but every day, you. It's your body, your muscles. You can train your body. Then it's important core muscles in this challenge and back muscles. And you know already how to train your core muscles. Like that. Always. Because to do the challenge till the end, to do this position, the angle 90 degrees with your legs, when you stand and then you go down, it's difficult. All your core muscles and your back muscles are working at that time. Your balance is one thing that you need to balance between this and that and go down. And the position of your body, like you put your hips behind, like that a little bit, and then you keep this 90 degrees angle. And this is core. Train every day. And you can do this.